this is Mair. So today I'm sharing the fried beef tikka. So right now guys, it's getting roasted in tomatoes and curry leaves for you guys. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Here guys, we're gonna roast our tomatoes and the ginger and the garlic at least for 10 minutes. Adding some red Kashmiri pepper, it's not that spicy. And we're gonna add some Garam Masala in there. We are also adding some salt in there. And that's pretty much it in the dry ingredients, guys. So this is, guys, pre-boiled beef. Masala is ready. Now we're gonna just add our beef in there. Right now guys, it's getting roasted in tomatoes and curry leaves and the garam masala and the red pepper and the salt. So we're gonna make sure everything is roasted and we're gonna stay tuned for it. Alright guys, this is really great recipe. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Please take care of yourself and do try this recipe. It's really good. You can eat this recipe with the bread, non-bread, or you can eat this recipe with the rice. Anyways, stay tuned for the more videos. Take care. Bye now.